Jamaica's minimum wage will now go up to 32,000. Something like that I've been hearing. But at what cost will that be? The Jamaican people has decided that they want that 32,000. They want that minimum wage to go up. But what a lot of people don't know is that when the minimum wage goes up, everything else goes up. You might be getting more money, but let me tell you something. The price that you will have to pay for everything else will be nothing except for mind-blowing. And what a lot of people don't know is that I am calling it first. Jamaica is heading straight toward inflation. You might think I'm calling down bad on Jamaica. You might think that I'm wishing bad down on Jamaica. But I'm not the one wishing bad or doing bad on Jamaica. It's the people who are our leaders. Because a lot of people will do any and everything to win the election at any cost. They will make a bunch of promises, and don't get me wrong, they will fulfill them to a certain degree, but it will affect Jamaica and its people. What a lot of people don't know is that if a man used to have 6 persons working in his shop, it's now only going to be 2 or 3, because he won't be able to afford paying 6 people 32,000. It doesn't matter how much he raised prices. And when he actually raised those prices, who will be able to afford it? When you get your 32,000 and you paying $10,000 for bread, what are you gonna do? Your taxi fare. You used to pay $200 for taxi fare. Now you're paying $500 for taxi fare. You don't see where this is going. So the 32,000 won't make any sense. More money, but at what cost? We're heading straight for inflation. The dollar will drop. It will drop so low than it already is. And everything will go up. People will be suffering. They just don't know it yet. It's a slow burn, but it's bound to happen if we don't make the right choices for Jamaica. Doubling minimum wage sounds sweet, you know. It sounds so sweet. It's sweeter than honey. But if it's gonna wreck the economy even more, then what was the whole point? But a lot of people don't care about that. They only care for themselves and not Jamaica. But you know who will feel it? The people who made the decisions. The people who did the voting. The people who wanted double minimum wage without thinking what the outcome can be. More money sounds sweeter all the time. But when everything gone up, rent, gas, taxi fare, woman bill, everything that you can think of, that's when you will know you made the wrong choice. That's when you will know that this wasn't the best decision. But what do you think, people? Do you think that this was just a trick to win the election? What do you think? I want to know. Or do you think that this was a good decision for Jamaica? Be honest with yourself. This is Raw Talk. Like and share, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.